In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back your missing eBay SKU. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, the SKU or stock keeping unit is a crucial part of managing your inventory effectively on eBay. It helps you keep track of your products and manage stock levels accurately. So let's dive right into this simple process to ensure your eBay listings have the information you need. First, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. This might seem obvious, but it's an essential step to kick things off. Open up your preferred web browser, head over to eBay, and enter your login credentials. If you stumble a bit trying to remember your password, don't worry, it's more common than you'd think. Once logged in, you're ready to move on. Next, navigate to the My eBay section, and from there, click on Selling. This area is where you oversee all your active listings and sales activities, like your control center for selling on eBay. Spend a moment here to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're not already. Now you need to find the Listings tab. Here you have two choices: create a new listing or edit an existing one. If you're adding a new product, this is where it all begins. Otherwise, finding an existing product listing to edit should be easy. Look over your current listings and decide which ones need a SKU update. Once you've opened a listing, head over to the title section. This is a key area where many listing details are managed. In the far right corner, you will see an option labeled See Title Option. Clicking on this will unfold additional customization tools you didn't even know you needed. Among the options, you will find the toggle for Custom Label SKU. Simply switch this option to On. This is like flipping a switch to illuminate a room. Suddenly a whole new setting opens up for you. And just like that, under the title, you will see a field appear labeled Custom Label SKU. This field is where you can input a unique identifier for your product. Utilize this space to its fullest to help track your inventory more efficiently. With your SKU back in place, your eBay listing is now set for better management and organization. Each step we've covered ensures that you can keep track of your items with ease, saving you time and potential headaches down the road. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Feel free to leave comments or questions if you need further clarification. Until next time, happy selling.